Halley Control, Romeo 01.
Request your type.
Valmet L90 TP Redigo 01.
Unknown.
Valmet Redigo Trainer, transmitting for identification 01.
Roger, Romeo 01. Report heading and altitude.
There's a clear challenge ahead for pilot training in the 1990s. Air forces need to produce highly skilled pilots in the shortest time at the lowest possible cost. The Redigo is designed to meet this challenge. It takes students from first flight to advanced jet in one step and can save up to $100,000 for every pilot you train to advanced jet stage. This can lead on to savings of up to $500,000 per pilot trained to combat readiness.
Romeo 01, request start level.
Romeo 01, clear start.
Romeo 01, request taxi for 26.
Romeo 01, are you ready for immediate departure?
But the Redigo is designed for more than primary training. Redigo has the speed, power, strength, and instrumentation to take students all the way to advanced jet training. The optimized wing and power loading guarantee that the aircraft perfectly meets the requirements of primary and basic training. The aircraft is fitted with a powerful turboprop engine, which allows the Redigo to climb at 2,000 feet per minute. So it rapidly reaches operating altitude for the training missions that teach airmanship skills. For the early stages of flight training, it's well known that side-by-side seating is best. Instructors can watch students' facial, eye, and hand movements, and correct wrong moves before they turn into bad habits. This helps prevent expensive washout later on in the training syllabus. The fully aerobatic Redigo shows what it can really do. The aircraft's load factor limits are +7 and -3.5 G, and its maximum level speed, 190 knots. At high speed, the Redigo feels and behaves like a jet. Student pilots need just 100 training hours to attain the necessary skill level to qualify for wings before they move to the advanced stage.
Romeo 01, for your information, there is another Redigo trainer in the same area. Keep good lookout.
Roger, Romeo 01. Halley Tower, Romeo 01, request approach for runway 26.
Romeo 01, cleared for approach runway 26.
The Redigo takes students from the first flight to Hawk-type advanced jet in one step, more effectively and more cost-efficiently than any other trainer on the market.
The Valmet Redigo meets factors of safety specified in the FAR 23 requirements and is designed to withstand use up to +7 and -3.5 G loading. The basic fatigue life is 10,000 flight hours. In addition to the principal mission of side-by-side primary and basic training, the Redigo can be expanded to include observation and liaison flying, tactical training, search and ambulance flying. The The standard version of the Redigo has dual flight instruments. Engine, fuel and oil indicators are mounted on the center instrument panel. The instruments and avionics meet the requirements of military training. The engine is an Allison 250B 17F turboprop engine. The nominal max rating is 500 shaft horsepower and is torque limited to 420 shaft horsepower. The engine is certified for up to 30 seconds of inverted flight. The propeller is a constant speed 3-blade hard cell propeller and can be operated at variable and reverse pitch. The tricycle landing gear is electro-hydraulically operated. The landing system is provided with assister springs for emergency lowering. When landing, audio and light warnings are activated if the landing gear is not locked and certain RPM is settled and landing flaps open. Each wing tank is of load-carrying sandwich construction. The collector tank acts as an inverted flight tank. The escape system provides escape from zero altitude and zero airspeed through aircraft flight envelope. Control surfaces are operated through mechanical linkages and cables. The ailerons are of a modified freeze type. The flaps are electrically actuated. The trim tabs on the right aileron, elevator and rudder are each operated by hand wheel. Each elevator half is aerodynamically balanced by a horn and a geared tab. The elevator trim can optionally be jointly operated with a hand wheel or electrically. The rudder is balanced by a horn and a trim tab. The maximum level speed is over 350 kilometers per hour or 190 knots. The rate of climb is 12.4 meters per second or 2,440 feet per minute. It takes only 5 minutes to reach an altitude of 3,000 meters or 10,000 feet. Over a 15-meter or 50 feet high obstacle, the takeoff distance is 280 meters or 920 feet, and the landing distance approximately 310 meters or 1,017 feet. At an altitude of 3,000 meters and airspeed of 250 kilometers per hour, the range is 1,333 kilometers and the endurance 5 hours and 20 minutes. The fuel consumption is then 0.88 kilos per minute. The Redigo is designed and built to withstand heavy use in military training.